This video will demonstrate how to create office hours on your Google Classroom page. Well, you already know how to create the Google Meet link for your specific classroom. The problem is that if you have several different classes, that means you have several different links. Well, if you have office hours that are open, let's say from noon to 2, how do students from all these different classes join your open office hours? Or how do you give them the link? Well, we're going to talk about a shortcut that's going to allow you, number one, to create the secure link that we need to use when working with students. And number two, where to place that on your Google Classroom pages. So the first thing, you're going to be creating a shortcut, and on that shortcut, it's going to be meet.google.com/lookup, and then whatever the meeting code is. So we recommend using the first four digits of your phone extension, and then your last name. This will ensure that nobody else is using that same meeting code. So what does it look like when it's all put together? It's just going to be meet.google.com/lookup/ and then your meeting code. You'll place that on your Google Classroom page. So if we go to the Google Classroom and click on Classwork, on your Classwork page, click Create and then choose Material. I'll title this Office Hours 12 to 2. And then click the Add Attachment button. Click the link option. Enter meet.google.com/lookup/ your phone extension and then your last name. Click the Add Link button. That will create a secure meeting code link that students can use to join your office hours. On the right-hand panel, if you want to place that in all of your classes, click the pull-down arrow and choose that same option for all of your classes. If you have a specific topic where you would like to place it, you can place it in that topic. Otherwise, if you leave that blank as no topic, it'll just leave it at the top of your classwork page. Click the Post button. You now have your office hours posted at the top of your classwork page. When students click that, they will have a link going directly to your office hours. Now, one of the problems you may want to avoid is having multiple students coming in while you're working with another student. So to do that, you can turn off the quick access controls. So what I've done is I've joined. Here's my meeting code, and I'm going to click Join Now. And I would do this shortly before my office hours begin. I'll notice that I have the blue shield letting me know that I have the host controls. And I'm just simply going to click on the host controls. And then where it says Quick Access, I'll turn that off. What that does is it creates a waiting room so that when students try to join the office hours, I'll hear a ding, and at the top of my page, it'll let me know which student is trying to join this session. If you admit the student, they will obviously join the Google Meet. Deny entry will prevent them from joining. Now, it's important to know if you deny twice, the student will no longer be able to join those office hours. If a second student tries to join, you'll also see them listed up on top. So here you can see student 01 demo and student 02 demo are both waiting to join this call. On the student screen, they see that they are asking to join, and you'll join the call when someone lets you in. As the teacher, if you don't want both students to join at the same time, you can click View All, and it'll list the order that the students asked to join. You can let student 1 in and start working with that student. When student 1 leaves, you can then admit student 2. This video demonstrated how to create office hours for your Google Classroom page.